Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. These Carcanos are coming into the country in droves from Italy and Ethiopia, and they're really cheap. What does that mean? That means that ammo is in high demand. You just can't really find it in 2024. It's a lot of places are sold out, and they're just not making it as fast as some other calibers out there. So, where do you find it? What are some of the sources that I use? I'll give you my sources and some of my thoughts in this video. But before we get started, I'd ask that you pulverize that like button and subscribe for the algorithms. It really helps out with the channel. Appreciate it. Thanks. All right, so the first place that I go to get the ammo would be Stael Ammo. So in my opinion, I think Stael Ammo makes the best Carcano ammo out there. It's 267, which is perfect for the Carcanos, and they have all different types. They have lead cast mold, they have soft points, they have brass round nose. They have all kinds. And just to be fully transparent, my videos are sponsored by Stael. So if you go on their website, you can check it out. Now, the problem is that they are out of stock and they don't stay in stock for very long. Generally speaking, you can Google search and see if that provides anything. You can use AmmoSeek, where you can type in what you're looking for and select from a list, and it'll show you current websites that might have it in stock. I got another source for you, the local places. If you haven't thought about going to some of your local shops and discovering what they have, I'd recommend you go out there and find out, call around, maybe travel there and find out what they have. So there's a few shops, maybe a couple. Actually, there's only one now within an hour drive from me that still keeps it in stock. It's usually PPU. And I've not seen anything else besides PPU and Norma there. So the best thing to do is to probably call up every local place near you and see if they even carry it. Now, there are some places online that you can get the ammo from, and I've got a big list of places that I use, that I search for. You might even find some stuff that you kind of put off to the side in the back burner, and you're like, oh yeah, wait a minute, I needed 7.5 French, and they have a lot of it. So try out some of these sites. They probably won't have it because I've searched quite a few of them already, but you never know. I think SG Ammo was the last thing on there that I saw that had it in stock, and those were PPU. Now you gotta remember, PPU is the 264 size bullets, which are not the best for the Carcanos, but they're just okay for plinking at short ranges. Another place that you could go to find this ammo are auction sites like Gunbroker, Guns International, Guns America. You can even go to Arms List, you might be able to find it there. Just note that Gunbroker and some of those websites, they bring in a lot of people. So that just means there's more competitiveness if there is an auction, and they might go for a high price on top of all the fees and everything. So honestly, I don't really recommend it. But if you really need something, or maybe you want some vintage ammo and it's there, you could probably try to find it. All right, and the last resort for picking up 6.5 Carcano is gun shows. They can be outrageously overpriced, and they know that they are in high demand, and some of these guys are going out there and they're picking them up from small shops and reselling them at gun shows. It's no hidden secret. So that's pretty much why it's my last resort. And but if you can find a good deal, then go with it. Or if you can find a few boxes and then get into reloading, then go for it. Now at gun shows, you might see some older Norma ammo, you might see some older PPU ammo. Those might be undersized bullets, so just be careful what you get. All right, here's a little test with Stael Ammo 6.5 Carcano brass round nose. I pulled it about 2 inches there, but this shot group is not too bad at all, honestly. All right, so hopefully this helps you guys out there on your search for 6.5 Carcano. If you like this kind of content, be sure to pulverize that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And as always, be sure to learn history and curate history. Make it a great day.